Hello folks, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do some basic maintenance on your ProFISHiency Pocket Combo. Okay, so now that we have this off, you should have a little bit of grip on the end of that, and then you can screw that off. Now why I open this up is that it removes the tension from this retaining C-clip at the front. That's going to make it a lot easier to take it off. It should come off. Just pull out that little pin from this section. So what I'm going to do next is pretty much clean off all that old oil and grease that's on it, because there's dirt and a whole bunch of gunk. And for that, I'm going to use pretty much a lint-free cloth and a toothbrush to kind of work off all that dirt. Okay, so now that I have all the parts cleaned up with alcohol, all the old grease is off, I'm going to go ahead and start putting oil on different parts off this. Let me drop a couple of drops of oil in that spot. In there. Just lift that up. Work that in. I'm going to use oil for this part just because it's a fast moving part. Work that in. Okay, I think that's about all the places that I want to put oil for now. Okay, now we're gonna do the grease. It's gonna make it very gentle. It's a little bit, not too much. I don't want to put too much grease or else it's just gonna attract dirt. I think we're almost there. Okay, I think that's it. I believe we're ready to start to assemble this back again. Gonna work that in. And put a little bit of oil in that. let's start off with this. So the flat side is going to be facing up, and the one that's shaped like this little groove is going to be facing down. I'm just going to go ahead and drop a little bit of oil on that. So I'm going to position this all the way with the drag loose, just so there's no tension when I put on back the retaining clip. Okay, flat side facing down. Flat side facing down again, goes into that little groove. Plastic washer. And this side goes on where there's a little grooves. Washer, flat side facing up. Then that retainer clip. And again, just be careful with this. Be patient. Should snap on. Make sure this is tightened. Okay. All right, so we're almost there. This plastic goes back in. There's a deeper ridge that's going to go on this side. Not sure if you can see, but there's only one way for this to go in. So a lot of those plastic pieces I didn't grease because they don't really need it. Well, at least I think so. Okay. No, I decided not to grease this because this little nut tends to come off a lot. That's one thing to look out for while you're using this. And I don't think these need to be greased, but it's up to you. Make sure I tighten this. Okay, so I would avoid putting any kind of grease on these joints here, just because it's going to accumulate a lot of dirt and different things, and they're just fine. If you get sand in it, what I usually do is take it and put it under in some water and kind of work out the sand. And you can just wipe it off with some rubbing alcohol, but make sure you use some kind of lint-free cloth, because once you get any kind of dirt or debris or anything in it, it makes it very hard for it to extend back and forth.